The maintenance of white teeth is an aim that a majority of us aim for. If you've put time and effort to whitening treatment, you must take all the steps required to ensure your results will last for the longest possible time. In this short video, we'll discuss ways to keep your results from teeth whitening. 1. Regularly flossing and brushing. The most essential, but crucial way to keep your teeth white is to floss and brush often. Making sure you brush your teeth 2 times a day and flossing every day can help eliminate plaque and avoid staining. Utilize whitening toothpastes to keep the shine of your tooth. 2. Do not consume foods or drinks which stain. Certain beverages and food items may cause your teeth be stained over long periods of time. Tea, coffee, as well as red wine, as well as berries, are recognized to cause staining on teeth. Be sure to restrict your intake of these beverages and food items, as well as clean your mouth thoroughly with water after eating them to avoid staining. 3. Do not smoke. Smoking tobacco is not just detrimental to your general health. Smoking can result in your teeth becoming colored and stained. If you smoke cigarettes, stopping could help keep your white teeth and also enhance your oral well-being. 4. Make use of whitening solutions as necessary. The use of whitening products like tray or strips of whitening may assist in keeping the shine of your teeth. Make use of them as often as you require according to the guidelines that are provided by the maker. You should not overdo it, as over-whitening will weaken the enamel of the teeth. 5. Schedule regular dental cleanings. Visits to your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings is important to keep your teeth white. Dental professionals can help remove surfaces, stains, as well as plaque that could be making the appearance of your teeth as dull. They also can offer tips on how to enhance the hygiene of your mouth. 6. Consider touch-up treatments. In time, you may notice your teeth begin to display indications of discoloration. In such a case, you might want to look into touch-up treatments in order to ensure the purity on your teeth. Your dentist will be able to recommend treatments for touch-ups that are effective and safe to your smile. 7. Take plenty of water. Consuming all day long aids in removing foodstuffs, bacteria, and food particles which cause staining. Also, it keeps your mouth moist and increases saliva production. This is vital for keeping your mouth healthy. 8. Consider your diet. Consuming a healthy diet high of fruits and vegetables will assist in keeping your white teeth. The crunchiness of fruits and vegetables such as carrots and apples will help remove plaque and stains on the surface, as well as boost saliva production. 9. Make sure you are practicing good oral hygiene. Apart from flossing and brushing your teeth, following regular oral hygiene helps to keep your white teeth. That includes using mouthwashes as well as cleaning your tongue, as well as avoiding excessive sugar consumption. 10. Keep track of your results. In the end, you must be aware of the outcomes of your treatments to whiten teeth and alter your treatment as required. If you observe that your teeth have begun to fade, do something to avoid the recurrence of staining. Keeping your teeth white requires an effective combination of habits of oral hygiene, healthy lifestyles, and routine maintenance of your dental health. Following the advice provided in the video below, you'll be able to assist in making sure that your teeth are shining and white for the longest time possible. Keep in mind that consistency is the key for keeping the results of your teeth whitening.